Hey guys, welcome once again. This is George the Repair Guy. Today we have a Bozak CMA-10-2 mixer. As you can see, I already opened it up for you, so show you the inside. This is the motherboard that's in the bottom. It's basically a backplane board, and everything is slotted in cards. This is the power supply here. These are the amplifiers. There's two cards, one for the headphone and one for the XLR outputs. You can have a third card in the middle. That one right there is the tone board. That is the summing board. And these two are the microphone input cards. These two empty sockets are for your phono or line in. Right now, they're empty. This is your RANE phono cartridge cards, and this unit has two cards. This is the power supply board. It is currently missing a power output transistor on the top. These are your input pins and output pins. This is amplifier number 1. This is for your headphone jack. These are the input and output pins for each channel. And this is an identical board that's going out directly to the XLRs. And once again, they're both identical. This is your tone board. This is your amplifier summing board. This is microphone 1 and microphone 2. These are both the amplifiers for those inputs. Also, the matching transformers for each of the microphones is below the board. And these are your RANE phono preamplifiers. One of the nice things about this unit is that you can add additional phono cartridges at any time. You can add up to 4 of those. This is the back side. It's all modular with pins, and they all connect to this backplane board that's in the bottom. Everything connects to this board. Here's your power input. These are for your XLRs. All your connections in the back are all right here. You can easily remove them. 1, 2, 3, all of those. And on the front side where all your pots and selectors, all of those are also with jacks, so it could be removed. So basically everything is modular. Everything can be taken completely apart. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of the inside of the Bozak. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask below. If you need one of these repaired or restored, feel free to contact me at george@360mix.com.